Albert Baeza, Remax Gulf Coast Realty here in Crestview, Florida. Just here at a Sawyer Floorplan that is available right now. This is the actual home that's under construction. It should be done in the next 7 weeks or so. Lots of side yard here. These are on 1/3 of an acre, so telephone poles right here, and so down the middle you've got a lot of space between these homes. There's a neighbor already living next door. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot that side because I'm not gonna be able to go out the back. So I'm just gonna show you the fence that's already in place for the neighbor, okay? And then we would tie into that, okay? Put fence that go across there, that one piece. There is nice smooth entry from the garage into the home. 2,495 square feet. Just one little step to get in. And they'll be doing the luxury plank vinyl throughout. 3 nice windows going all the way across. Dining area right here. Little bar area. The model pretty much explains it all, right? I'm just kind of making my way through here. Pantry. Little porch area for outdoor enjoyment here. Under truss. And I'm just going to go here to show you how far the lot goes back there. And then the house is another length behind that. So lots of room back there in the backyard. This is a bedroom. Feeds off the back. It's about 4:30 this evening. Got some nice light coming in here. And so there's a bedroom there. There's a master. 2 on the right, 2 on the left as you come in, and then that little one that's kind of like an office kind of a situation. And this is like nice size master. Again, they're still painting, and this would have carpet in the bedroom, but we're gonna see if the builder will catch it before then. Shower, hers, closet area. And then there's this one that gets a door, his dual vanity. Commode goes in here. Okay. So those are 2 bedrooms there. And back towards the front. Nice big windows here. Lights up this one here. Double closet doors. Bathroom between these 2. Single vanity here. Toilet. And this bedroom. So it's a 5-bedroom home, 2,495 square feet. The Sawyer Floorplan. Office, 5th bedroom. Over and out. It's $343,900, and they're paying $5,000 in closing costs from the builder for title and all that. And then we can ask them for this $1,600 stainless steel refrigerator and possibly get them to change out the flooring. That would be a plus if we can get them to do it. We can always, if you make your guys' decision, we can ask them for that. It should be like a $1,100 upgrade right now while they don't have anything in here right now. Great little neighborhood here in Crestview.